You're standing in a forest near San Francisco, staring at a cluster of trembling leaves. Hidden beneath them, an army of microbes is dancing a secret choreography, shaping the tree's fate. Yong reveals a world where these invisible lifeforms don't just hitch a ride on plants or animals, they define who we are. What if I told you that you too are not a singular being but a bustling city of microbial creatures running the show? Let's start close inside your own body where multitudes thrive. The idea that microbes are mere passengers, dead wrong. These tiny tenants build you, guard you, and sneak into your decisions. Yong recounts a study in Bangladesh where researchers measured how each person carries around 39 trillion bacterial cells, outnumbering our own by tenfold. It's not just numbers. These microbes create a microbial fingerprint unique as your Google search history, constantly changing and reacting to your environment. Imagine sculptors working behind the scenes, shaping your organs during development. Yong explains how gut bacteria help build a healthy immune system and even influence your metabolism. It's like a master potter molding clay. Without these microbial artists, your body simply wouldn't form the way it does. The strangest twist, microbes infiltrate your brain's decisions. One example, gut bacteria send chemical signals affecting mood and cravings. Think of them as hidden puppeteers tugging subtly at your strings, sometimes nudging a choice toward chocolate or calm, rewriting what you thought was purely your own will. You're not alone in embracing this microbial life. Across species, animals lean on their invisible allies for survival, often in ways that upend what we thought about evolution and behavior. In the steamy Amazon rainforest, giant ants farm bacteria on their backs that produce antibiotics, a natural shield against deadly fungal infections. Yong's vivid recounting of this microbial bodyguard relationship shows how species integrate microbes as essential defenders, turning evolution into a collaborative screenplay. But this relationship is a double-edged sword. Those same microbes that protect can also invite new dangers or diseases if the balance tips. Think of it as a nightclub bouncer, good at keeping trouble out but also deciding who's allowed in, with serious consequences for the party inside. This dance with microbes has flipped conventional Darwinism on its head, showing how genes alone aren't driving evolution. Instead, whole communities, including microbes, evolve together. It's a collective rewrite of the storybook on how life adapts and thrives. Here's where it hits home. These microbial multitudes demand we rethink what self means. Health, identity, even personality, none are purely human anymore. Yong shares a moving story of children in Malawi who developed robust immune systems thanks to the right gut microbes, fighting off lethal illnesses. This connection flips medicine from attacking pathogens blindly to nurturing protective microbial communities. We're only beginning to grasp how mental health disorders like anxiety and depression relate to gut microbial balance. The book highlights research where transplanting bacteria in mice changed their behavior dramatically, proving mental health might start in the gut, not just the brain. Imagine future treatments where doctors tailor your gut microbes to fight disease or boost mood, personalized medicine that's less about pills and more about probiotic ecology. This microbial frontier promises a revolution in how we diagnose, treat, and even think about ourselves. Remember those trembling leaves in that San Francisco forest? You too are a shifting landscape of microbial life, more colony than individual. Yong's I contain multitudes shatters the myth that you are just you. Try this. Next time you eat, wonder which invisible multitudes you're feeding and how might they be feeding you back. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.